He chomped that buzzbait. That's a fun way to start the morning off. It's dead quiet out here. It really startled me. Let's see what else happens. I'm throwing the Pepper Custom Baits Commando buzzbait, and it's got a treble hook on there, feathered treble hook, a little smaller profile, and it's a little risky to throw it around these trees, but I think the hookup percentage is going to be pretty good. I'm out here early in the morning at one of my favorite ponds. It's about perfect timing for fall topwater. I think this is going to be a fun day. Let's hope I catch some more, and thanks for coming along with. It is a bit on the windy side this morning, so I'm going to try to use some of these trees kind of like an anchor or power pole. I'll set my kayak up against them and then do some casting so I don't drift or have problems. Whoa! My goodness. I guess it won't be that kind of day. That one hit pretty close to me. Let's get back in the water. Came up and tapped it. Got him though. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, nice Iowa bass. Came up and tapped my buzzbait. That one was right next to me. I gotta be careful not to lift it out of there so fast. He must have been following it for a while. Oh. Stays out of the trees. Another one on the buzz this morning. This is the Pepper Custom Baits Commando Buzzbait, and they just do not, if they slap at it, they stay on really well. They are chomping it. Alright, that buzzbait was just ridiculously fun, but sun's up and they kind of quit hitting it. I was hoping the sun would stay. Well, it's been up for a while, but I was hoping it would stay underneath that cloud, giving me the chance to fish topwater a little longer. But I think to increase my chances, I'm going to try my next new bait. One came and hammered the underspin. There we go. Little guy's hitting it. There we go. Yeah, didn't get him in the mouth though. He like came up and slapped at it. So since I think the fish are coming up and slapping at it, I'm gonna try this spinnerbait that has the treble hook on it. There, got him. See, I'm able to keep that treble hook right above the grass. And then if they tap it or hit it, it makes sure it hooks them. I think I'm getting low on battery, but yeah, it was a great trip this morning. The wind is intense, but after, yeah, pretty much actually the whole day I found the fish up on the grass flats. And I'll maybe try to get out of the wind here a bit and record the end of this. So I did end up running out of battery a few minutes after this, but I kept fishing the spinnerbait for a while and caught 4 more fish. The Commando Buzzbait from Pepper Custom Baits has that treble hook on there and it worked great. Before I left, I decided to tie on the jig. And it's my go-to bait, kind of my personal favorite bait for bass fishing. And sure enough, here's what happened. He is the biggest one of the day. And right there on the Pepper Custom Baits micro jig. Alright, there he is, 19.5 incher. This was a great day of fishing. I had an absolute blast. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.